Hey, hello Chandigarh. Welcome to this beautiful live. This morning, it's the 17th, Monday morning. It couldn't have been better. And we're going to be showcasing all the lovely stuff that we have for you today. And of course, this is also reaching out to everybody entirely all over the world. That's the whole beauty of this Facebook, Instagram. And yes, we are first things first available at Hyatt Centric from 11 a.m. sharp. And of course, you're going to be seeing some brand new launches from Anantya and otherwise as well that's going to be there. The first thing that I have for you is this suit, this much loved, beautiful suit is now in stock. Yes, we have finally done it. It's been over a year since we waited for us to make this suit again. If you have seen this one, then you know it's the light blue, beautiful silk suit that we have, okay? It's got karwa, buta all over. It's amazing as it is. And it's this light gorgeous blue, and yes, we have the first piece ready to be shipped out today. So whether you're going to be online, whether you're going to be catching us up, of course, here at the show, it's going to be amazing. This suit finally in for you at 76,000. This is a full 3-piece set. And what else? I have more colors for you, some gorgeous colors that I have, including a stunning black one. So you're going to be seeing a beautiful silk black suit, Sona, Rupa, it's got everything. मतलब black suit अगर आदमी एक देख ले तो you feel that you've seen everything. That amazing black suit. There you go. So not only are we launching our favorite blue Katan silk suit, but we are also getting this brand new color. So we've got the palette for you that we are showing you. So that's the black. And then we're also going to be having this really, really different. Can you see this color? Extremely nice, extremely different. I love the color. So this is like a cream, but it's got a touch of green. And that's your piece that we're launching today. Ultra lightweight, really beautiful, okay? Look at that, very, very beautiful. I'm going to do अच्छा खासा 30-40 minutes का live, जिसमें मैं आराम से आपको सब दिखाऊंगी. All that we have stored in for you here, of course, for Chandigarh and everybody online. It's going to be a beautiful one. You're going to be seeing some amazing, amazing pieces that we have for you today. So this gorgeous suit for you at 76,000, okay? So I'm going to keep this aside. I want to show that Bandhni dupatta. We've got the most beautiful Bandhni dupatta for you. Now, I'm a working girl. I'm going to, I think, keep my dupatta aside. I'm going to hold it till I can. Is the most gorgeous piece that you have seen for this wedding season. I mean, look at that color. Look at the beauty. Here it is. I mean, you have not seen this Bandhni before, with the most intricate floral buta, the ultra lightweight. This is chiffon georgette of the very best quality. And then, like this. Ye dekhiye. This is all for you. This amazing, amazing, complete look for you. I mean, it's just gorgeous at every level. It's a Kadwa weave. There are 2 colors of Bandhni that you can see, and of course, it is shaded as you can see. So that's one gorgeous, gorgeous piece for you coming here from the live. It's gonna be now. अब मैं ये दुपट्टा रखने वाली हूँ, and I'm going to get to serious work. I'm going to take my dupatta at the end. But you recognize this suit, then you know that, this is finally launching today. Now, what we do have are some amazing silk options. Here you go. I know many of you want to have a look at the collection that we have brought before you guys step in. This is such a great way to be seeing. And for everybody online, guys, you especially wait for these, off Mumbai lives. Ab aap dekhiye this one. This is a gorgeous red full katan pieces. Now, something very special here is that when you're going to be coming here today, you're going to be seeing some amazing pieces at some great prices. Nali, we should be showing a couple of those pieces, on hanger, along with the prizes that we have for you. Of course, agar aap chahe, so you can also, now, oh, that's a stunning, stunning katan one. Now, these are beautiful katan. Can you just tell me the prices of this one? It's an amazing piece. This is 38,800. It's a beautiful 2-tone piece. Another one like that I have for you is this one. Now, look at that. That's a really gorgeous. Again, 38,800. ये भी पूरा full 3-piece katan suit है. Now, apart from that, we have some amazing ones. Okay, I'm just going to give you a glimpse. This one is a Chandigarh special, but हमेशा ही हम चाहते हैं कि whether आप online रहें, चाहे आप यहाँ रहें, या आपको मौका मिले, that you can also get this. So the special price for this is 38,800, originally for 44,800. Look at that. It's a beautiful one. So Chandigarh, आपको मुझे पता है कि जॉर्जेट बहुत पसंद है. We wanted to do this special for you. All of this at special prices, including these two. Let's show you these two gorgeous beauties right here. There will of course be more Georgette suits for you to be able to see. Look at that. Here it is. I will show you the remaining Georgette suits in a bit. But in between all of that, of course, we have our latest, all of this amazing silk collection that we're going to be showcasing. अच्छा, कई बार ये बात आती है कि आपके पास सिर्फ बहुत heavy pieces होते हैं क्या? So that's not true, you know. We get all kind of one. Look at that. That's an extremely rich color piece. You're going to be seeing suits, fabrics, dupattas, and ये देखिए, this one, I love this. This is such a gorgeous Georgette dupatta. Just a Sona Rupa. You know, look at that. I mean, it's just an amazing Sona Rupa piece. You have got the whole beauty right there for you. And one fabric that I want to show you. Can I get this blue, light blue fabric? We also have a new Buta launching from Anantya, and that's this. So look at that. Here it is. आज coincidence की ये बात है कि this fabric very close to what I'm wearing. So अगर आप चाहें तो अगर आप से ऐसा चाहते हैं कि मैं सूट ना लूँ सिर्फ कुर्ता लूँ, then go for this. This is the 10,800 fabric. It's beautiful on its own. So yes, go for it. Yes, it is almost the same color as this. This suit 76,000. You've seen it. This fabric, this wonderful fabric, this brand new motif launching in two colors for you, and I'm going to be showing you the second color as well. First things first, let me just show it to you with this. इसके साथ I had a very nice silk dupatta which was matching. It was jal, but I think it must be there. Just see if you can find it. I will get that. It's a exact same jal dupatta in katan. Okay. Now here you go. Look at that. That's a wonderful full look combination for you that you can see. I love the whole cream and all. Okay, I'll see. Get me, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे दिखा दो. I'll show you the other color. So okay, so today is a really early start for us. We've been here since yesterday, late night, and yes, setting up a show. We're really good at it, and very very quickly we do it. But थोड़ा सा, you know, yes, we are still setting up. Just give it this hour for everybody who's coming here, and make sure that you do. अगर आप चंडीगढ़ में, oh, what an amazing color. Look at that, 10,800. हाँ, silk dupatta jal wala. You know, it's the, yes, that's the dupatta. It is beautiful. And ये देखिए. Now, 10,800 so you can go for this. You can go for this. There you go. Oh, look at that. It's a gorgeous full look combination. So when you're trying for a full look, and this is such a wonderful katan silk. ये देखिए, ये इसका पूरा look है. This one is a silk special, guys. You're seeing the most amazing pieces. जो of course जो खूबसूरती है वो एकदम आपको मैं दिखा रही हूँ so that you can really know कि आपको क्या amazing pieces मिलने वाले. Now this one, let's show the kurta and the bottom. This is a kurta and a bottom set that you can see. Look at the beautiful katan in it. I do have more colors for you. Okay, I'll do this one. You have, so this is like a kurta. अब हमारे पास दुपट्टे के इतने ऑप्शंस रहते हैं, and you know they're all over. In fact, मैंने कुछ प्लान भी नहीं किया, मैं ऐसे ही जाके एक I'm picking up a dupatta that is absolutely amazing. Okay, look at that, what a gorgeous combination, all impromptu for you. So that's a ये हो गया दुपट्टा, and ये हो गया bottom. ये आपका full 3-piece look हो गया, and it's amazing. Okay, now for this one I'm going to be doing a stunning purple with it because this is also got purple. So I'm going to be doing this amazing piece for you. Look at that. Here it is. Yeah, that one. That is really pretty. अच्छा, इसका bottom भी ready है. So I have the kurta, dupatta, bottom all for you. I'll show you the bottom. Let's show it to you. Here you go. There you go. That's the bottom. Full 3-piece look. But जो set है वो kurta and dupatte का, kurta and bottom का है. Dupatta you can pick up. Now I'm going to get this one again because I wanted to just show you this gorgeous red dupatta that I also have that's going to look amazing with it. So look at that. Here it is. There you go. There is that slight nip in there. It's a very pretty combination. This one looks amazing. Slight nip in there hai bahut, you know, it's like halki thandak hai. And you know, the fabric that you're going to be wearing for that is of course wool silk. You know, wool silk ऐसा fabric है, आप सलवार बनाएं, पजामी बनाएं, full suit बनाएं, you know, and coat बनाएं, whatever be it. Lots of colors available in this gorgeous wool silk fabric, 5,800 per meter. Okay, but I also have a brand new buta launching for you, and this one is super special, okay, because this is the first time that we have tried pashmina. Yes, pashmina and silk together with, okay, hear me out, with, what are you seeing? A karwa buta in resham. It's got everything. So it's got resham, okay, which is silk. It's got pashmina silk. It's got karwa, and then it's got karwa weave here. And unseen, absolutely unseen. You've not seen something like this before anywhere. We've composed it. It's a unique composition. And yes, we're really excited to be launching this as a special from Chandigarh. Chandigarh, you have my heart always, you know. Now, ye to raha wool silk fabric. That's one color that we have there for you. And we have the most amazing silk fabrics, जिसका मैं दाम भी आपको बताऊंगी, so that it's really easy for you when you're coming here. You know what you want, you go and you grab it. Okay, 6,800 per meter, most beautiful silk kurta, plain silk bottom. This one, and it's amazing. And here it is. Now this is the next one. Okay, now look at that. Here you go, a jal fabric. And मैं जो ये दिखा रही हूँ उसमें जो अभी दिखाया मैंने उसमें colors है मेरे पास. I do have colors in this one. This is amazing. This is such a rich purple. Everybody, अच्छा online जो है आप, it's as always. My entire team is there. Okay, one full team is there in Mumbai working with you guys as always. And plus they will be, you know, replying to you. We'll send you the pictures, whatever you need. Okay, so you'll get that from us. And बाकी of course जो आपको photos चाहिए होंगे हम यहाँ से भेजेंगे अगर piece यहाँ है. Otherwise everything is as normal. Many of you requesting, अच्छा कल बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, दो चीज़ें थी, बहुत कॉल्स आए कि मुंबई स्टूडियो ओपन है क्या. सो वी वर्क फ्रॉम मंडे टू वी वर्क मंडे टू सैटरडे 9 to 6. ओके, आई जस्ट लाइक ओके. एंड ये भी कॉल्स आए कि आप चंडीगढ़ आ चुके हैं कि हम आना चाहते हैं, यू नो. सो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ दैट वी आर नाउ हियर and we are here till tomorrow and today. Okay, एक चीज साथ में भी दिखाऊंगी मैं आपको, बट अलग भी दिखाऊंगी. आप प्रीमियम बांधनी दुपट्टास. We've got one really nice peach color in it. This has got 3% silver. It's entirely karwa. A gorgeous combination like this. Very traditional, very beautiful. That's what we have for you. Okay, but you gotta see this full live. ये ऐसा live है जो आप छोड़ नहीं सकते. You're gonna be seeing the most amazing new launches today, all apart. So you've got to hang on till the end. This one, it's an amazing one. Next side that I have for you is this. Look at that. This gorgeous jal fabric. And we're not stopping there because I have the most perfect combination for you. Look at that. Here it is. The most amazing. So this is from our premium collection. Ab hum dikhayenge, you know, all the plain sets I want with all the light dupattas that we have. I also want the new colors in the velvet that we've gotten. I think it's there. Here it's kept near there. And look at that. That's amazing. That's your full look right there. Okay. Very, very beautiful. Very nice. ये ज़रूर हमारे premium collection में से है. So yes, you can check. But one perfect look. That's what we have for you. अच्छा. Coming back to the point of special prices. These are all on special prices. And I'm going to show you whether, of course, you want to go online, you want to go, you know, here, you want to, अगर आपको चंडीगढ़ में लेना है, this is for everybody, ऐसा नहीं है. It is a special from here. One sec, this dupatta is dropping. I got to sort it out, but it's a beautiful Georgette suit. I've got two colors in it that you cannot miss. And I think we also have the prices. These are for 48,800, originally for 54,800. We've got two more, and we've got a beautiful pink here, this one. So जब आप आएंगे of course आपको ये special prices पे मिलेगा, and you can get it here. And look at that, this one is also at a 38,800, and this amazing tree, these are what prices? So look at that, 20, this one नहीं, अभी क्या है इसका, अब 20, oh my god, is that the case? Let's see the price. 28,800, that's the price. Okay, so that's the special price. Color 1, color 2 and color 3 in Georgette, full 3-piece sab dikhaya hua set. You know, two more for you that I'm going to be showcasing. That's a green, it's a beautiful green, and this one is the Meena one. So all of these as a special for today. हम मुंबई बेस्ड हैं, okay, so हम मुंबई बेस्ड हैं, हम दुनिया भर में शिप करते हैं. That's how we've been working. 99% of our business is of course only online. कभी कभी एक इत्तेफाक होता है कि हम आ जाते हैं एक सिटी में, and it's a beautiful opportunity for us to meet you and for you to come and touch and buy your pieces. तो दोनों ही विन विन है इसीलिए. But otherwise हम बॉम्बे बेस्ड हैं टू, and cash on deliveries all over India, so that's also an added advantage. Now look at this gorgeous look. This dupatta 12,800, this fabric 2250 per meter. It's a wonderful complete set. So when you're saying that what is it that you have for us, we have all of these wonderful pieces as well. अब ये देखिए इसका, look at this dupatta, it's gorgeous. It's 22,800, and then you have this amazing plain chinia suit with it, silk suit, full complete suit. Okay, so when you see complete suits तो उसका एक मजा है. Then you want sometimes heavy dupattas, we have that for you, and then we have like the simpler suits. Oh, there you go. Now this one, most amazing. Look at this combination, really really hot, very very pretty. This one is the knee boota. This is Munga silk fabric, 2450 per meter. Okay, somebody saying come to Delhi, somebody said come to Surat. Guys, okay, this is, we have no plans right now for any other city. But मेरा ये कहना है that आप एक piece try करें. That's all that you need to do to experience Neem. Oh my God, what a classy. I love this. It's a pink. It's a creamish color. It's like a light brown with the undertone of pink, and it is most beautiful. Plain Munga 2450. This dupatta I think 26 or 28,800. Just gorgeous. Look at that. What a classy full look together where you can see the beauty of this piece. I just love this whole look. Very very wonderful. इसी theme पे एक और है, and that's the Neve Munga. So you can see that it's the Neve Munga Buta. Okay, and then you have this again, extremely beautiful. Look at that, very pretty. Here you go. I mean, if you're online, sure, grab the special prizes pieces. If you're here in Chandigarh, of course, you know the drill. At 11, we open for you. We are here till 8. अच्छा, आपको Hyatt Centric आना है first floor पे. We're there in Hyatt Centric 1. That's the room that we are in. It's a nice, cozy place for us to be spending our day together. Again, a beautiful plain suit, Munga dupatta, absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And I'm going to take okay, 1 second. Yeah. So I'm going to take a sip of that and get going. It's going to be a, amazing, beautiful day. That's what we're looking forward to. And look at that. Oh my God, look at that. 12,800 ka Munga dupatta, plain Munga 2450. And how amazing is that? Each piece that you're seeing, it's so beautiful. It's really something special. Okay, and मैं आपको ये light color भी दिखाऊंगी because it is very very gorgeous. You can see that. Again, this one is a 12,800 dupatta, plain Munga 2450, and yeah, full sets, because of course we are carrying all our premium stuff that you've seen recently in Anantya. We're carrying the massive amazing silk collection that we have in fabrics. Okay, you're going to see a very beautiful collection of dupattas as well, so that's also there. And ये जो सब चीजें हैं, now look at that, so useful to have, so easy to wear. अब ये देखिए, now this one is really amazing. 7,400 का दुपट्टा, 3450 का कुर्ता मूंगा एंड वेरी वेरी लवली. इसी का मेरे पास एक stunning black shade भी है. Blue, sorry, this is a deep blue shade that we have, which is what we're going to be showing you. Let's see. Maria, black hair. So it's a nice black shade. 7,400 का दुपट्टा, 3850 का ये चिनिया फैब्रिक एंड आपके पास एक पूरा कंप्लीट सूट हो जाता है एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. ओके, also today's new launch is this amazing brocade that we have for you. Look at that. Okay, it's like this beautiful mauve tone, but you'll see the zari color, super special, super unique, very very soft. Okay, and मैं यही बात बोल रही थी दैट आप चाहे कहीं भी हैं दुनिया में, मेरा हमेशा ये कहना है कि एक पीस से स्टार्ट करें. स्टार्ट वन, ओके, एंड सी द एक्सपीरियंस, एंड वंस यू आर सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट, I know that you're going to be with me. अगर आपने ऑर्डर किया, I know you'll be satisfied. You will be with me. So try one. Look at that. This is a brand new brocade. 9,800 per meter is just amazing. Okay, very very beautiful. इसी का एक और कलर भी है मेरे पास. So it's a 2 color only, and this is the color. This is a deep. Look at that. It's a beautiful reddish, deepish color. Just wonderful. Okay, so लाल नहीं है, it's got a rust tone. You know that इस साल हमारा rust is very very important. It's been there on all our colors, and what I really love is this extremely unique flowers that you're seeing here. So very pretty, 2 colors in it. Now Georgette at its very best that you will see. We'll also get this iske baad. You know, Georgette at its very best that you're going to be seeing. Oh my God, that is amazing. Look at that entire look. Okay, this is our Georgette. There's 14,800 per meter. This is 48,800. This dupatta, this gorgeous flow. Of course, you can just take the dupatta. I'm just going to show it to you. You can just take the dupatta. This is there for you. Here you go. There you go. It's amazing. It's beautiful. And this one is 48,800. And we also have it in white, which means that आप कोई भी कलर कराना चाहे आप करा सकते हैं. This is one piece only. इसका दुपट्टा रेडी नहीं है, but we can get it done for you. The same दुपट्टा. It's this beautiful gold color. Look at that. क्या लगेगा इसके साथ plain silk bottom. It will be absolutely amazing. Okay, look at that. Look at the flow of the fabric. Extremely pretty. Now I'm going to get the whole bundle. We have specially हम चंडीगढ़ आए हैं तो हम हमें नया पैलेट आपके लिए लेके आए हैं, you know. So now look at this dupatta. Okay, I'm going to keep it here. Just like these hot colors for you. This one is pink with an undertone of red. It's a beautiful. So I'm going to show it to you. ये है velvet dupattas with handwork. These are 20,800, you know, each one of them. And बन तो जाएंगे आगे भी, but ये pieces ready हैं. So you should be going for it now. Look at the flow. Extremely easy, super pretty, and not only that, I have the most amazing colors for you. There you go. Here it is. This is amazing. Okay, this one is a soft pink color. Very very pretty, very very nice. You know, yes, that one, and extremely easy to be using. अच्छा, ये एक हो गया हमारे पास teal color. We have the teal color ready, and you can see that this is the extremely beautiful teal color. There you go. Here it is, the teal. See it right here, the teal. So this is a shade of blue, and finally for this one is like a copper. It's got a maroon top, but it's got a, you know, look at that, the copper insides. And yes, ye ek special, all of these pieces for everybody online. Of course, you know, these pieces are here and we can make them again for you, but of course ye for everybody in Chandigarh, these are ready to be picked out for you today itself. Okay, gorgeous suits. That's what you will be, you know, like that's what I'm showing you right here. Now this one, this is the most amazing hot premium silk suit. How are you going to give me? Like this. Okay, look at that, full 3-piece set in our most premium Ananthea collection. You can see the work, you can see the details, the entire border right there. And yes, we do have one more wonderful color in it that I'm going to be showcasing to you, okay? So there was that, the hot pink, and now I'm going to be showing you the classic cream colors. So, you know, there will be sets with, so that's your set, okay? That's your set. Now look at that. Here it is, this detailed border, this very amazing look for you. अब जब silk suit की बात शुरू हुई है, I have another brand new concept here for you, and that's in this hot pink, okay? Can you see that? That's the Sona and the Rupa. It's amazing. It's a first of that we have here, okay? एकदम इसकी जो finish है, जो अगर आप weave देखेंगे, I'm going to show it to you. It's super special. You will see it's like a flattened finish. That's really difficult. Nakshi to hai hi. Sona Rupa hai. The most gorgeous two-tone color in silk. So that's the kurta. And then this is going to be the dupatta. So you're seeing really, you've seen the suit that I'm wearing launch. You're seeing this beautiful suit and so many things all in between which are launching for you. Now look at that. That's amazing. Here it is. Now this dupatta is a long dupatta. ये हमने बनाया है अच्छी खासी length में so that you really can wrap it around. This is the first piece that has come and it is mind-blowing, guys. Mind-blowing, okay? Now, you know, वही मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखा दी. Almost I'm done. I have a couple of things now. What I want to show you is that we do have some amazing, gorgeous silks lined up, okay? Now, if I tell you, this is 10,800 per meter, 14,800 per meter, 5,800 per meter, 9,800 per meter. So what I'm trying to say, and I will show you एक का मैं सब दिखाती हूँ आपको, so that it's very easy for you to know what is it that I am talking about. But I want to show you. I'm just taking a pic कि मैं क्या क्या आपको दिखाऊँ. And this is like some amazing ones. Okay. Now look at that. Here it is. This is आज का live एकदम impromptu है. You can always think that, you know. Now look at that. That's the most beautiful Munga silk fabric. It's the tissue woven fabric. Now, this one that you're seeing, this is the 5,800 gorgeous Katan silk. Okay, very amazing. Now, here it is. This is Gul Buta. This is Gul Buta and the Sona and the Rupa. This incredible sheen to it. Then, of course, there is Florence. Okay, you can see the Florence right here. And you can see all of these amazing colors. We are, of course, carrying this. Now, okay, I'm going to show you this black brocade. You can see it as a sample. This one is already sold out, okay? It's pending to be shipped. So, but this one, you can see today. You can place your order. And so many colors for you that are already available, okay? I mean, it's amazing. This hot black color. And I think we're almost going to wind up. What I do have for you, and this is an Anantya launch for you that we're going to be showcasing. It is the most beautiful tissue suit, okay? For the first time ever, we are launching a tissue suit for you, okay? There you go. And usse bhi zyada baat, this is a silver tissue suit that we have launched for you. It's a full kurta and dupatta, the most beautiful motif. This is going to come with, it's got a unique composition bottom as well. But look at that. It's most amazing. Here it is. You can see that. This is silk by silk. उस दिन हमने एक tissue दुपट्टा launch किया था, which is already on pre-order, you know, because yes, that, I mean, you guys loved it. Thank you so much. Okay. Now it's time for a tissue suit. What are we getting up for? We are, of course, getting up for the, you know, wedding season. मैं एक चीज आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी. That's the bottom actually, but इसको ना मुझे lining जैसा, I just want to show you the color of it. That's why I'm just putting it together. Now you can see. Now can you see the amazing look of it? मैंने of course just bottom को इसके अंदर डाल दिया है, but it's the most amazing, beautiful. This is how it look. Okay, when you put up a lining, it's going to look like this. The most gorgeous tissue suit that you've seen. Okay, and this is kurta, bottom, dupatta. Bottom, of course, हमने tissue नहीं बनाया because it's not really, you know, very easy for you to be wearing a tissue bottom. So we have done a different composition. There you go. This is the new launch from Anantya coming up for the wedding season. Okay. Now there you go. You can really see it. It's absolutely amazing. Very gently keeping that. And that's that there is to it today. The most amazing collection launching for you. I mean, Chandigarh, we're here today with a beautiful silks wedding collection, you know, that you gotta be wearing. And of course, there's also something that is there for everybody, like, you know, things you want to wear every day. Wo bhi hai, Munga silks, complete suit sets, gorgeous bani dupattas and Georgia dupattas and karwa, okay, all of that. So that's for you, everybody online. You know, it's as always, you gotta do one thing only, and that's just कि आप WhatsApp करें, or you know, that's it, and then place your order. My team is there to assist you from Mumbai, and we are here, of course, in Chandigarh. And guys, see you soon. Place your order. This suit is finally, after a year of pre-orders and requests, we have it for you, which is, I mean, it's ready to be shipped out, and we have 2 more colors as well. So thank you, have a gorgeous day, and I'll see you soon again. Bye bye.